Hello everyone, this is Nicole from Altenew. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can layer the images together using the Build a Flower Begonia stem set. This is a stem set, and this was actually released in February 2020. It offers 4 layers for each the flower and the leaf, and you can refer to our layering guide on the back of the stamp packaging to check out the layering and the matching points. So we're going to start with outline images for each flower and the leaf. I'm stamping the outlines using our jet black ink. If you're planning on coloring the images, I recommend using our obsidian ink for watercolors and permanent crisp black ink for our alcohol marker coloring. All right, so we'll focus on the flower for this time, and I am inking up the flower in Sunray, and this is the first layer, which is solid. You're going to fit those in within the outline of the flower. For the second layer, I am going to use chamomile ink, and it is going to sit between the lines. You're going to line these up and have them go in between the outline of each petal. There is a gap between those partial layering images, so you can see them through when you place it over the already stamped image. For the third image, or the fourth layer, I am using Snapdragon, and this is going to go more close to the inner lines of each petal. You can line that up and stamp. For the leaf, it's fairly simple. I'm stamping the solid image with Minty Mint ink pad first. That goes right within the outline of the stamp image. The second layer is going to be stamped with Sweet Leaf, and you're going to place it within those outlines for the veins. And the third layer is stamped with Hunter Green, and this is going to go a little bit more over the top of the already stamped images. And these are the completed stamped image for Build a Flower Begonia stamp set. Thank you so much for watching.